I welcome you back. Today's video is simple. It's all about the basics of InShot editing app. All the things that you need to know, although it's not everything that you know in this particular video. So in this video, you are going to know some of the features in the InShot app. So after this video, you'll be able to create a video as a beginner. So without talking much, let's get into it. So let's say you want to create a video for someone celebrating his or her birthday, and we have pictures of the person and we want to combine them in a minute as the duration. So using the InShot app, click on video, click on new, select the pictures of the person from your gallery and click or tap on the check mark below here. So you can see we have achieved one goal here, that's being able to add from different photos as different clips. So now these pictures that you are seeing here, they are called clips. For now it is called clips. If you want to edit, just tap on the one that you want to edit. So let's say I want this second clip to move faster than its default speed. Tap on it and find speed from the buttons below. Tap on it again, set your required speed, the speed that maybe you want, that's in the seconds, and click the check mark here. Tap on the double check mark if you want the speed you set to apply to all the clips. Tap on the double check mark if you want the speed that you set to apply to all the clips, or alternatively you can tap and drag on this right pointed arrow here. If you want to reverse or undo your action, just tap on this button. Tap on this button to redo your action. Now let's add some transition to our clips. Just click here, the slanted line like button here. Play about the transitions and choose your preferred one. Set the speed of your selected transition. Tap on the single check mark. Tap on the double check mark to apply the selected transition to all the clips. Now let's add the birthday text to the images. Tap on text. To type your text, just tap text again. Type in your message. Drag in and out to resize the text. Click here to edit. Select the text color by clicking here. Select your border color by just tapping here. Select your shadow color from here. Glow color from this button as well. The label color too from this button. And the text opacity too from here. So you can just play around them and set to your preferred ones. This button is for font. Tap on it. Tap on it to set the font that you want. Zoom your text using this button, either in or out. Play around the rest of the features for the text. Now let's get to how the text transition button. Choose your preferred transition for the text. Adjust the speed and tap on the check mark. If you want to apply to all your clips, hold and drag to the preferred clip that you want it to apply to. Just tap on the check mark. Tap on the music button to add a background sound. Click on music to select the music that you want to add. You can tap on this button to extract audio from a video that you might want the background sound. Tap on music to select the music that you want to add from your files. Tap on use. Tap on edit to either reduce or increase the sound. Check the mark if you are done. So if you are okay with it, click on save. Select the video's resolution, the resolution that you want. Set the format to MP4. Tap on save, then you wait for the video to be saved. So that's all we have today. I hope you can do a birthday video after watching this. Thanks for your attention.
Yo, this is fire.